Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to add or remove the Samsung news from the home screen. So this is the home screen. If you swipe right, you can see the Samsung news. So let me show you how to enable or disable this option on this device. Okay, simply go to settings and tap on the option home screen. Scroll down here, you can see the option add media page to the home screen. If you tap on this option, and here you can see the Samsung news option is selected and this is enabled. If you want to remove the Samsung news from the home screen, simply disable this option. Go to the home screen, swipe right, you can see nothing will happen. If you want to enable the Samsung news on your home screen, go to settings and tap on the option home screen. Tap on add media page to the home screen. Tap on this one and you need to turn on this option, and also you have to select the option Samsung news. So simply in this way we can enable or disable the Samsung news from the home screen. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.